morning we went to Chen Mapo Tofu. The restaurant is 140 years old.
Started in 1862. That's unbelievable to me. We went into the kitchen.
The line was very different from a Western setup.
So many interesting things for a Westerner to look at. The dish specifically that was so curious was the Mapo Tofu. I've heard of this dish and I've tasted this dish in San Francisco.
It's one of the few dishes that I did recognize, but what I've had before was very different from what we had today. I thought it would be a very hard, fast cookery, but it was more of a very delicate and intentional cookery.
He was very comfortable and very exacting in the dish. Knew exactly how much oil to put in and to take out. Knew exactly how much chili to put in and then back off.
Very much watching the pot and moving things very carefully and with a lot of purpose. We got to learn about the ingredients of the dish.
I was surprised to see how many there were, including beautiful homemade tofu, which held its shape. He used beef, which I thought would be pork automatically. There was chili powder, Szechuan pepper, chili paste, white pepper, there was black pepper, lots of garlic, hoisin sauce, fermented black beans, and he used a little slurry of cornstarch to put the whole thing together. And also these beautiful little like garlic shoots. And we were expecting to have our heads blown off by the amount of chili in this dish.
The dish was outstanding. It was really layered and you could taste everything. This is a completely different flavor profile, especially the peppercorn, the numbingness as a part of the whole dish and the flavor.